let's see how to make roasted crushed peanuts, which can be used in many recipes. Take iron pan, spread peanuts evenly in one layer so they get heat equally. Make sure the gas flame is low. Keep stirring continuously every 1 minute. Iron pan takes time to get hot initially, but once it's hot, it gets very hot. So make sure you adjust the flame and keep stirring it. It took me 7 to 8 minutes to roast the peanuts, but you have to look at other things along with time. Like it will release a nice flavor, the color will change, and the skin will start separating from the peanuts. So these are the things you have to look for, and also you can taste it. You will not feel that rawness. You will feel it's roasted nicely. If you keep it on high flame, it will be roasted from outside, but inside it will remain raw. So make sure the gas flame is low and you roast it with patience so that you get nicely roasted peanuts. You can store it with skin, without skin, but here we are crushing it. So now we have to remove the skin. So take a kitchen towel. Put the peanuts on it when it's warm, not hot or not cold. Hot will make them very soft, and then cold it will be difficult to remove the skin. So rub it very nicely with your palms, and this way the skins will be separated out. Now with this method you can separate out the skin. You can use any method to make sure that the peanuts are separated from the skin. So now cool it down completely before we put it in the blender. So add it to the blender. In the blender, after cooling it down, you are going to add and then pulse it. Pulse it for a few seconds and then stop for a while. So when you blend it in the pulse mode, you get a nice crunchy peanuts crushed. Store it in an airtight container and use it on any recipes you like.